Now we take our fresh lemons. And here we got it. And let's go add it to our guava juice. Now we're straining our guava juice. The easy trick is just to tap. You strain it lightly. Or you can use a spoon, whichever you prefer. Gently mix the pulp and the seeds together just to get all your juice out so you don't waste your guava juice. And then you pour the extra on a plate or in a bowl. Great addition to your compost. We're gonna squeeze half of our lemon in the juice. It keeps it from oxidizing as well. It gives it a beautiful taste. Now for those of you that would like to sweeten your guava juice, you just add a little bit of cane sugar. I'm just adding 2 tablespoons. And you just mix it. Now we just mix it in. And guess what? We get to drink our guava juice. And for every West Indian, I know you're happy out there because we love it. I get a hibiscus type, be perfect.
I'm gonna eat it for you. Use a spoon to scoop it in, Mommy.